Hi guys! Is your System.io automation not working the way you expected? In this video, I'll show you the most common automation mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, forgetting to publish your workflow. After creating your automation, always make sure it's published or active. If your workflow is in draft mode, it won't run. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong trigger. Every automation starts with a trigger. For example, funnel form subscribed, tag added, purchase completed. If you choose the wrong trigger, the automation will never start. Always double check that your trigger matches the action you want to automate. Mistake number 3, missing actions. A trigger alone doesn't do anything. You need to add actions like enroll in a campaign, add a tag, grant course access, send a webhook, move a contact. Without an action, your workflow has nothing to execute. Mistake number 4, not testing your automation. Before sending real traffic, test everything yourself. Complete the funnel, submit the form, or make a test purchase. Verify that every step works as expected. Testing can save you from losing leads or customers. Mistake number 5, creating complicated workflows too early. If you're just getting started, keep your automation simple. Start with one trigger and one action. Once it's working correctly, you can gradually add more steps and conditions. And those are some of the most common System.io automation mistakes and how to avoid them. If you'd like to build smarter automations, sales funnels, and websites, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly tutorials.